everybody, hope all is well. Today I'm going to talk about shopping at Gucci at Ala Moana Mall in Oahu. So if you like the types of videos where I unbox authentic evil twin items, I DIY, compare bags and do a review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe and just hit that bell. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. Let's get started. No secret, I was in Hawaii and I didn't do a good job of filming or taking footage because there's a lot of family and it was 80% fun. You know, sometimes you just have to go with your significant other and have a relaxing time. Next time I will go alone with my husband and it'll be so much more relaxing. No offense to family members, but my husband and I went. Why does this always happen? Peppermint is in the bag, in the Zara bag. I think a nut. Don't know what she's doing, but she's there doing something. Peppo, baby. Anyway, we went to the Gucci store on Kalakaua on the main strip of Waikiki, and I wasn't feeling like chemistry with the essay, so I believe that's probably why I didn't purchase anything there. But when I went to the Ala Moana Gucci store, it was a temporary store because I guess they're fixing the store in Ala Moana Mall or on Ala Moana Center. I met an essay that I got along with. His name is JJ. He is amazing. And so I purchased a couple of things at the Gucci store in Ala Moana Center or Mall. So let's get started. This is basically a Gucci haul. These are authentic stuff. So if you don't like authentic stuff, then I'll see you later. But if you want to see these authentic items, then please watch this video. Okay, so let's get started. It's a huge bag. I did purchase a lot. So for those of you who do not know about designer purchases in Hawaii, then you gotta know, but I feel bad because this is ending soon. Put this down. So I'm not sure about other designer brands. I know at Gucci in Hawaii, it's 25% less than the normal price, US price. I hate to tell everyone about this because it's ending like this month, July. So it's 25% less, you say?
Yes. And now in our store is $8.25 for these.
Wow. Plus like the tax 4%.
Yeah.
Woo! Basically, if you buy designer items in Hawaii, it's 25% less than if you buy in the United States. It's crazy, right? They are stopping that and they're gonna start at 10%. I know in Gucci's 10% less than the original price. Starting in July, but they're ending the 25% off the original pricing. So luckily I purchased during this time, right before it ends. But 10% is still good, plus the 4% tax. In California is 10% taxed, and that's a lot. So I went nuts. I purchased about 3 things, and let's get started. What did I buy? So first up, this cute wrapping paper, ribbon. I still am not a fan of the green wallpaper. It kind of gives me that haunted house vibe, but whatever. We don't walk around with boxes, but here it is. Here's the dust bag, and there is little microfibers to keep the item nice and dry, especially in Hawaii because it's so humid. So here is the dust bag, and my husband purchased the other bag, the biggest bag, but I purchased this on my own. It is the Ophidia jean colored. Obviously I haven't opened it since I purchased it. The Ophidia mini bag. I love a mini bag. And here is the strap. There's one side of the strap. And here's the other. is the other side. And the strap is just really long. I think at the store I had it on the second shortest one because I think it was really, really long. This is tight. This should not fall loose like a lot of evil twins. It should be tight. I love the double G's here. They still have the plastic on each zipper. It does feature Gucci there. Let me see if I could. He did give me a brand new one because I did request that if they had brand new ones in the back to please just give me a brand new one instead of the display ones. And it features the top includes, and it's removable. It includes the key holder thingamabobber. And it's wrapped in plastic. You can see it is removable. Now this is authentic, so I'm just letting you know that the one I received is removable. Gucci insignia with a serial number. It is a suede moment inside. It includes the controliato paperwork. That's pretty much it. There's a zipper in the front. As you can see, it's very small. I'm not sure what you can fit in there yet. Have not used her. And this one does not include a black tag. Next up are these. Let's just remove the ribbon. And basically, there's the box. Slight difference from the Evil Twin. Authentic ones do look a little different. I purchased, there's all the paperwork. Again, down here. Authentic Gucci does not come with those weird plastic cards. And I purchased the matching shoe. I love it. I had to purchase them. I noticed it's either 37 and a half, which is my authentic size. The other one. This is in Italy. Chain, horse bit, Gucci inside, and the serial number is right there. It's silver, and they're just so freaking cute. Let me kind of give you a glimpse of how it looks. I'm doing the lazy YouTube thing. And then there it is. I'm wearing jeans today. But I'm gonna give you some insight on these. The authentic ones are really comfortable. Like, these are comfortable. I walked around. He let me walk around in the store with them because the Evil Twin ones, the chain, like literally pushes down on the top of your foot. And I'll probably do a compare video with these authentic ones with the Evil Twin ones. These are so comfy. It makes me regret purchasing the Evil Twin ones. So I really highly suggest purchasing these authentic, or at least trying them on, because these are more comfortable than Evil Twins. Last but not least, now this is a gift from my husband. I love this. This is like the finale. That was a struggle, but this is the best item. Actually, all of them I love, but this is beautiful. And I'll tell you one in a second. Oh, he put it in tissue. Here is the dust bag. And my husband purchased me. It's in another linen bag. And he purchased me the Dionysus. Here it is. So sparkly, and I turned down the face light. This is so gorgeous. I will purchase is authentic Dionysus bags because no luck with Evil Twins. here. Oh my god, freaking pretty. I got the brown leather one, and I got a size small. I believe this is small. Oh my god. I'm loving this moment. It has a side lever here, and it's so pretty, especially the crystals. And it's just one big, huge opening, and the authenticity theme with the black tag is in there. It's not focusing on it. I don't care because nobody needs to see that. And another pocket here. And the strap is a chain. And the cool thing about this chain is it is now crossbody. Every Dionysus in the past has always been so like struggle with crossbodying it, or you can't even. But now they made a crossbody version. Brand new ones for me, which is a plus. Here it is. You can now crossbody your Dionysus bags. No, it's a little, well, it's right here, hits me right here, which is fine. But if you double chain it, it hits me right there, and that's perfect. This to me is such a gorgeous bag. I'm gonna use it a lot because it is the perfect size, and I love me a good Dionysus bag. My medium ones are pretty heavy. This one is not too heavy. And it's just so pretty. Can't get over the crystal shimmers. It's beautiful. Just like this little cat. I'm in her catio. Anyway. It's not about peppermint, it's about this. Oh my god. I'm sad that they're gonna get rid of the 25% off the original price deal in Hawaii, but 10% is still good. So next time I go back, it'll be 10% off plus 4% tax. And my husband purchased something at Balenciaga, which I'll create content on the Balenciagas, but they're not for me, they're my husband's. Also, it was about 25% off the original price. I should have bought myself some Balenciagas. I ended up getting some Evil Twin ones, but I should have purchased some in Hawaii. Anyway, this is a gorgeous bag. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a wonderful day and talk to you soon. Bye.